video gets 100 likes, we'll hop on a freight train. What is up, everyone? It is Just Somebody. Right now, we have just created some fake train tickets on Photoshop to try and see if we can get from Northampton to Manchester and do some sick climbs. Let's go. This is it.
For some reason, it's not reading right.
Either you purchase a brand new ticket or you can take it off.
I don't know if you heard that, but we're going up with security. We just got it to Manchester. Let's go! The train station has the barriers closed, so we're going behind the building. We're gonna climb down, see if we can get to the tracks, run down the side of the tracks, jump up on top of the platform, act as if we were there the whole time. Maybe get caught, maybe not. Even if we get caught, by caught, I mean being yelled at, we're still running. So like, are we really caught though? Tonight we're making it to Manchester. It's happening. All right, so we're entering a construction site right now, so we can try and access the trails from the back end and run up to the platform. We're gonna need some luck, so wish it through the screen, you know? Come through. Oh. All right, so we're down the tracks right now. Next train is in 15 minutes. We're gonna see if we can run down the platform and catch that. All right, so we got some security over there. Trying to get through without being noticed. Down there's the train. This is so sketch. I don't even know how we're not even caught yet. The fact that we're so close and there's security everywhere is wild. So we're about to show up on a platform that's not even in use, as if we just got off a train. The ghost train. Yeah. Bro, what are we doing right now? All right, guys, so we made it to the platform. We got a train right here, but I don't think it's our train. If they catch us. As we're walking down here, we have one plan, and that plan is to run back from where we came from full speed. Trains in the way or nothing. We punching that train out the tracks and we just running, bro. Like we're gone. We can get real messed up for this, so like we're just gonna be gone, bro. Yeah. Yo, how is this even working, bro? Make sure you guys go down and subscribe ASAP. Alright, well that was mad, so I'm in Manchester now. So we have 3 trains to catch, each one less than an hour, so hopefully it will be good if they check the tickets. Then we're All we did was change the place or the destination where we're leaving from to where we're going to on Photoshop, but they can't scan it, so it's not really a good ticket. If we do get in trouble, we're gonna be like, yo, we bought these tickets off of someone outside the station. They airdropped them to us for like 20 bucks a piece. So I think it's a pretty good story, and I think we'll stick to it, and I think we'll get there. So let's go on this journey. See you on the next train. I don't know if I got him, but we got checked and those tickets worked. This is it. How, bro? So it went well on Northwestern. No idea how it's gonna do on the Virgin trains because they scan. These ones don't scan, so we just glanced at it. We were on the floor. He wasn't about to bend over and like investigate the ticket. So he just took a quick glance and moved on. First train, they don't scan. Next one they do, so wish us luck. Hour and 40 minutes left of the journey. This one's one stop. They definitely scan. Chances are we're getting caught in this one. Did you see that guy? Yeah. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but as soon as we got on, there's a worker right there. So it's pretty sketchy. We have one stop. It's about 40 minutes. There's no one on this train. We get a ticket check. It's gonna happen fast. How you guys feeling right now?
I love it.
What about you over there?
Scared.
Me too, bro. Here goes nothing. How you doing?
Alright, yeah.
I'm freaking tired. About to pass out.
Alright. Cheers.
You having a good day? Happy New Year's.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Happy New Year.
You got another one there, pal? Yeah, well, it's just stand up there. It's all gone. It's all on. Just double check your messages. I'll go with it. Right, checking on here, pal. It's not. That's right. No, for some reason it's not reading right. Would you?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Big glitches that way.
Yeah, go for it.
Have a good night. We just showed him these tickets that are photoshopped from years ago. So it came up as 2018, and this guy just thought it was a glitch. 2 trains down, 1 left. We're gonna do this. 100%. 2 trains down, 1 more to go. If this video gets 100 likes, we'll hop on a freight train. There are mad people on this train. Hopefully, they're not checking, but we are on this bad boy for an hour. 3rd time's the charm. Alright guys, let's do this again. He said that he was supposed to go to a concert or something, I don't know.
And I don't know where it's supposed to go to, but definitely not on the
but we're going up with the security. So yeah, she just went off on us, and security's coming, so we'll see what happens.
We just had to deal with the police. We got caught by this lady. She called the police. Police came, and my story worked, so we are on the train now. So tell me how we got caught 40 minutes before we were about to arrive, but now we're back on the train because, you know, your boy's a pro storyteller and we're going to Manchester. Let's go. Alright guys, well, we just got into Manchester. Let's go! Now we're about to meet a friend that we met from IG. We're about to go stay at his hotel, do some climbs. Let's do this. Now we just gotta get out, and that is how you successfully sneak on trains all over England. Oh, we got this guy right here. Peace out, bro. That was successfully weird. He was just like, whatever, pushed us through. So yeah, England, tighten up your security. JK, don't do it, because I like taking advantage of you. Even if you did, I'll like your mom. Hey, we found the dude. What's up? We're about to wrap up this video, make it its own separate thing. And if you want to go ahead and see the climbs, go ahead and subscribe, turn notifications, and you will see the next uploads and what we do in Manchester. It is about to get lit. Let's do it. I'm just somebody. No plans are the best plans. Let's go.